Hi, and welcome to Qlik Fix. This video will demonstrate how to publish an app from Qlik Sense Enterprise on Windows to Qlik Cloud as part of Qlik's Multicloud SaaS offering. Start by verifying that the license being used in Qlik Sense Enterprise on Windows is a signed license key. License key plus control number method of licensing is not compatible with multi-cloud deployments. This signed license key should also be the same one applied to our tenant in Qlik Cloud. To check, go to this license overview address and verify that the license key being used here is the same as on Qlik Sense on Windows. Now to set up the multi-cloud deployment, go to the Cloud Distribution settings and click on Set up New Deployment at the bottom. We'll give it a name. This will be referenced again later. The API endpoint is your tenant URL. Copy that. I'm going to use a local token to connect Qlik Sense on Windows to the cloud deployment. And with the Qlik Cloud Services format checked, copy the token. Now back to the Cloud Management Console. Identity Provider at the bottom, and create new. Select Multi-Cloud, and paste in the local bearer token that we just copied from Qlik Sense on Windows, and create. To test the connection, go to Cloud Distribution in the QMC, Deployment Setup, and click on Test Connection. Now we need to create a custom property that will be used when publishing apps from Windows to the cloud deployment. This will be attached to the applications that will be pushed to the cloud. Click on Apps, and the value should match the deployment name that we entered before in the Multi-Cloud Setup console. Now for the apps we want to publish, go into the App, Edit, and in Custom Properties, specify the deployment we just set up so that the setting is added to the app. The next step is to create a distribution policy. Create new. Let's use a template for a distribution. Add a name, set the value to use the custom property, and apply. Now let's verify that the distribution happened by going back to the Cloud Hub, refresh, and there it is. It has just been published from Qlik Sense Enterprise on Windows to the Qlik Cloud Hub. This app is currently only accessible by one person. To change this, go into Administration. Notice the alert about some apps in staging mode. Select the app, click Set Space, and assign the app to a managed space so that other users can use the app. Now back to the hub. In the details, we can verify that the app is in the managed space. Access to this space can be adjusted in the space settings. Now let's do this with a new app. Let's import an example app to Qlik Sense on Windows. Select the app, Edit, add the custom property, Apply. Now let's publish the app. Let's publish it to a stream on Windows. And here you can see that this new app has been published to a stream on the Windows Hub and to the Cloud Hub. I hope this helped. If you'd like more information, take advantage of the expertise of peers, product experts, community MVPs, and technical support engineers by asking a question in a Qlik product forum. Hiding in plain sight is the search tool. This engine allows you to search Qlik knowledge base articles, Qlik community forums, help.qlik.com, Qlik gallery, multiple Qlik YouTube channels, and more, all from one place. There's also the support space. We recommend you subscribe to the Support Updates blog and learn from Qlik experts via a webinar, like Expert Talks or Q&A with Qlik. Thanks for watching.